Shorty fell in love, now she doing all my drugs. Yeah, I'm ballin' in the club like lil' mama in my eyesight. She go home with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi. Yeah, you wanna.
So today I'm going to talk about स्टॉक मार्केट एंड आपने टाइटल तो पढ़ लिया होगा कि मैं आज क्या बात करने वाला हूँ. सो द टॉपिक इज़ वेरी सिंपल एंड व्हाई आई लेफ्ट स्टॉक मार्केट. नो, आई हैवंट लेफ्ट स्टॉक मार्केट, आई हैव लेफ्ट ट्रेडिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नो यू नो दिस थिंग्स बट लेट मी रिमाइंड यू अगैन. ठीक है. So we have two things, investment and trading. Investment and trading. ठीक है. ट्रेडिंग बेसिकली मैं इंट्राडे की बात कर रहा हूँ. ट्रेडिंग व्हेन जब आप कोई स्टॉक्स खरीदते हो आज, तो आज ही आपको बेचना पड़ेगा. अगर आप खुद से नहीं सेल कर रहे हो तो जो आपकी ब्रोकरेज है वो सेल कर देगी और आपसे कुछ चार्जेज डिडक्ट कर लेगा. सो इन इंट्राडे वी हैव टू स्क्वायर ऑफ आवर पोजीशन ऑन द सेम डे व्हेन वी डू आवर ट्रेड. बट इन्वेस्टमेंट वो होता है व्हेन वी होल्ड आवर स्टॉक्स फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट वो होता है जब हम अपनी स्टॉक्स को 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल के लिए होल्ड रखते हैं. ये कोई फिक्स टाइम नहीं है. 1 साल के लिए भी रख सकते हो, 5 महीना, 6 महीना, 2 महीना, 1 महीना, कुछ के लिए भी रख सकते हो, बट यू आर होल्डिंग दैट स्टॉक्स. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई जर्नी देन इन द लॉकडाउन, यार आपने भी सुना होगा कि यू नो इतनी इसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट हो रही थी सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक. जब आप फेसबुक ओपन करो then you see stock market, Instagram stock market, YouTube stock market, Twitter stock market. So and if I leave social media behind, then my friends stock market. So do you think why I shouldn't enter into the stock market? Was there any reason for not coming to stock market for me? No. So I thought let's give it a try, and I was just इधर उधर से देख रहा था यार, everyone is learning new skills, so I thought it will add into my CV, so why not learn something. So I started learning about the stock market, that how does it work, how can we buy the stocks, how can we sell the stocks, and how the companies work, and all these technical stuffs I've learned. But in the meantime I've also started doing investment. Like I've started with investment in the starting time, और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट से स्टार्ट किया स्टार्टिंग में. और my investment, if you guys are willing to know about my investment amount, then it was this 5k. So I started with 5k, and when I started I did YouTube. I started reading from Googles and all. Like I have read from everywhere. So it was a good learning journey for me. But in the meantime चीज़ें गलत कहाँ पे होने लगी when I realized that I'm not making that much money, as much effort I am doing in learning all this stuff. So investment, you have to wait. If you want the result, then you have to wait. Like what I was actually doing then, that I have actually told you na, investment is not defined like you have to hold for 50 years or 20 years. No, that's not defined. So what I actually started doing कि एक्चुअली यार व्हेन क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, देन आई एक्चुअली मैंने किसी से सुना था कि इंडिकेटर्स वगैरह के बारे में, देन मैंने उस इंडिकेटर्स को यूज करने लगा। जैसे आपको भी पता होगा यार, मैकडी, स्टोकेस्टिक, RSI, VWAP, RSI एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ऑल दिस स्टफ्स। सो मैंने स्टार्ट किया इनको यूज, एक्चुअली बॉलिंगर बैंड को यूज करके मैंने ये देखता था कि ये रेंज क्या बना रही है, स्टॉक्स रेंज क्या बना रही है। एंड जब मैं ये देखता था लाइक आज 650 पे है और 1 मंथ पहले 450 पे था, समथिंग लाइक, देन या it's going to come into the, one thing I learned from somewhere, someone told me that stock market is something, history will repeat itself, ठीक है। तो when you learn, like you learn about support and resistance and all, so when one stock is going, okay, so let me tell you support and resistance. When one stock is going up, but coming again, coming down, again going up, coming again. And let's take the example, this is the stock, okay, and this stock is going up to this level and again going down, again coming into the same level, it's not going up. So this level where stock is touching the maximum time, जहाँ पे stock सबसे ज़्यादा time touch कर रहा है, इसको मैं कहता हूँ, why I'm saying मैं कहता हूँ, इसे हम कहते हैं resistance. This is called resistance. And the same point where my stock is coming from down, coming down and again coming up, then this coming down, this phase, this is called support. And when our stocks comes below this level, then that's called break-in. We say break-in in support level when, and breakout in resistance level if this is going outwards. So through all these things, actually I started doing all these things. So everything was going fine, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा था, बट प्रॉब्लम तो सब कुछ ठीक इसलिए चल रहा था क्योंकि आई वॉज मेकिंग लाइक अराउंड 7%, 10%, 7%, sometimes 10% profit. So 7%, 10%, sometimes 13% in 15 days, 20 days, in 30 days, by leveling, you are comparing that. One thing I would like to tell here, that whatever you learn in stock market, you don't learn it fully. It's all about predictions. The best way you can predict, that tells that you have done the homework and you should get the reward. So that's all these things. But when problem came when I started doing trading, and in trading, if you also wanted to do trading, आपको भी लगता है कि आपको trading में आना चाहिए, then I must warn you that don't enter into the trade just because I have lost a lot money. I'm not happy telling you, but that's very true. I've lost a lot of money. So I will not suggest anyone to go into the trading because it's so risky, and just because of the money and the P&L you see from different people that they have made this much amount of profit. So if you this you must have also listened from somewhere that यार अगर आप को ट्रेडिंग में रिस्क है, ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी है, बहुत कम है, ट्रेडिंग में है बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क है, एंड चांसेस ऑफ विनिंग इज 5%, 3%, maximum 10%. So what do you want to do? Decide yourself. You want to come, do you think you are top 5% of the trader who is making profit? No. Then why to go into the trading? But yeah, one thing I would like to tell, that if you want to go in the trading, then please go, but be ready to lose your money, because it's not that I'm telling you from just by if I'm telling that मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, एंड या दैट्स वेरी ट्रू. सो अगर आपको जाना है तो आप जा सकते हो, लेकिन ये आप सोच लो कि whatever the amount you are risking, you will get 0 out of that 0. ये मेरी गारंटी है. But yeah, I'm not saying that trading is a very bad field. हमारे लिए नहीं है, वो है हमारे लिए है, but this takes a lot of experiences, a lot of practice. But yeah, you can start doing, but don't risk your capital. If you are risking your capital, then make sure yourself that it's going to be 0 and you are not going to repent yourself after that. So the best way, so I have told about all these things. So what should we do? What I do suggest, अगर आपको ट्रेडिंग करना है, देन यार आप इन्वेस्टमेंट से स्टार्ट करो. डू इन्वेस्टमेंट, पुट योर मनी इन सम गुड स्टॉक्स एंड स्टार्ट लर्निंग slowly about the all these things, like how stocks works, और फंडामेंटल्स क्या है, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस क्या है. स्टार्ट लर्निंग अबाउट ऑल these things, then you will surely be successful. So my suggestion is very clear: start with investing, and if you are doing very good with investing, then go enter into the trade with less capital. Okay, so I think I should wrap up this session. It's been a long video. I one thought इतना लंबा हो जाएगा, but that's okay. See you.
I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us.